penampilan ekstrakurikuler bahasa Inggris dengan peminat Miss Raden Gisel Simatupang SPD dan Mr. Juari Yusuf Attahila SLI. Silakan untuk bahasa Inggris.
Hello everyone, good morning. We are from grade 2A. We want to conduct a performance, so let's start.
Oke, that's great. Selanjutnya Putri, reading Putri. Reading Putri from 6th grade. Ya, silakan you may go to on the stage.
Ode to Teacher by Pat Mora. I remember the first day how I looked down hoping you wouldn't see me. And when I glanced up, I saw your smile shining like a soft light from deep inside you.
I'm listening, you encourage us. Come on, join our conversation. Let us hear your neon certainties, thorny doubts, tangled angers, but for weeks I hid inside.
I read and reread your notes, praising my writing, and you whispered, "We need you and your stories and questions that like a fresh path will take us to new vistas."
Slowly your faith grew into my courage, and for you, instead of handing you a note, or apple, or flowers, I raised my hand.
I carry your smile and fade inside like I carry my dog's face.
My sister's laugh, creamy melodies, the softness of sunrise, steady blessings of stars,
Autumn smell of gingerbread, the security of a sweater on a chilly day. Thank you for your attention.